Now, for next time,
Yes.
what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a more advanced reason. I'm just going to tell you the big picture. We're going to come up with, because remember, we just did a lot of word analysis. Now we're going to do articulation. We're going to come up with 3 good reasons, okay? Not any reason, the 3 best reasons the kids can come up with. For each reason, after that, I'm going to show you how to take the reason and to make it a simple universal theme so they can go find a quote. And then this is going to really oversimplify it. You will not be ready to teach this until I show you in detail. But we're going to take that quote and then we're going to answer the basic questions: who, what, when, where, how, why. And I'm going to show you how to turn that into a basic body paragraph.
I love that. And that's what we're taught in writing. The who, what,
Right,
when.
but
Yeah.
this is going to be a very unique way of doing it.
You know,
Then
like what? I love that.
the next thing up, that's the end of context, the craft of research, context, problem, solution. Then we're going to do problem.
Mm-hmm.
And what I'm going to show you to do on problem is we're going to come back. And for each reason, we're not going to look for one universal theme. We're going to work for 2. They're going to start off by being very close together. As the kid evolves, you're going to find a lot in the beginning of the book and a lot at the end of the book. You're going to pick your 2 best ones. Okay.
Right.
And then I'm going to show you how to create a warrant for each of those sentences. That's from the craft of research, and a lot of people haven't heard of what a warrant is. It's a way of organizing your thoughts in a systematic way to explain a quote, essentially. That's my definition of it.
Okay.
I'm going to show you how to do that with 2 quotes, so those body paragraphs, which will be enough to get you past the high school essay.
Into
Okay?
college. Okay.
And into college. Okay? So
Right.
just that one addition, as the kids practice that, like Reed's practicing that now in 5th grade. 6th grade. He's really good at he's getting really good at doing the quotes.
Wow, that's great.
If I can, I show you how to do 3 body paragraphs. You do the introduction and conclusion. Now we have enough to get them to pass the high school essay.
I love that. Wow.
And they're in middle school at this point.
I mean, this is great. And not only is this great for teachers, Russell, but I can see this being good for instructional coaches, like curriculum coaches in school, and also people like me, instructional designers, that we, I don't think enough attention is given to this, because if the kids were younger, now they're adults, we don't realize, because universal design for learning, as you know, is so important. Being able to design for every learner, no matter where they're at. And so I think these are great to know at, whatever age they're at, so that you can meet them where they're at and hopefully help improve, right? Like you said. No. Yeah.
Let me be clear. Kimberly made this work. Now, she's just not any mom. She has taught her Reed's 4 brothers and sisters to read well using traditional methods. Okay, so she's not an inexperienced mom, but she's a homeschooling mom, but still not anywhere near a professionally trained teacher. Okay, so just think about what I just told you. I gave you the outline. Right. How I'm going to get you to do body paragraphs that are acceptable in high school and college as the next thing.
Right, as the next thing. Yeah.
It's literally that simple.
Wow. I love it. Wow. I love it how you're teasing us for the next one. So that's great. It gives it something to look forward to for my listeners.